Ancient mysteries, modern marvels, are we being watched? For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars. We wonder, are we alone? Now strange lights dance in our skies. Unidentified flying objects, we call them. UFOs, are they visitors from distant planets? Or could they be something else? Imagine advanced machines silently observing us. These UFOs, might they be like eyes in the sky, watching, studying, recording our every move? The idea is unsettling yet intriguing. It hints at a universe far more complex than we can imagine. A universe where humanity is not alone, but part of a much grander cosmic play. Celestial chariots, echoes of vimanas in the modern age. Ancient texts speak of vimanas, flying machines of the gods. These mythical vehicles soared through the heavens, wielding incredible power. Could these stories be early glimpses of advanced technology beyond our current understanding? Consider the similarities. Vimanas, like UFOs, defied gravity. They moved with speed and agility, surpassing any earthly vehicles. Is it possible that our ancestors witnessed something truly extraordinary? Something we are only now beginning to rediscover? The parallels are too compelling to ignore. A universe of wonders, imagining the scale of extraterrestrial life. The cosmos is a vast expanse filled with mysteries and wonders that boggle the human mind. Our planet, Earth, is but a tiny speck in the vastness of space. When we look at our world from the vantage point of space, we realize just how small and fragile it is. Billions of stars fill our galaxy, each one potentially hosting its own planetary systems, some of which may harbor life. And billions of galaxies make up the universe, each with its own billions of stars. The sheer number of stars and planets is beyond human comprehension. To think we are alone is to believe that our little world is unique. But in the grand scheme of the cosmos, it seems improbable that Earth is the only cradle of life. That, my friends, is a truly arrogant assumption. The universe is too vast, too full of possibilities for us to be the sole inhabitants. If life can arise on Earth, it can arise elsewhere. The conditions that foster life here could exist on countless other planets. Perhaps on planets older than ours, civilizations far more advanced have evolved. These civilizations might have developed technologies and cultures that we can only dream of. Civilizations capable of traversing the stars, exploring the far reaches of the universe and making contact with other forms of life. Of bending time and space, manipulating the very fabric of reality in ways that are beyond our current understanding. Their technology would appear to us as magic, so advanced that it defies our scientific principles and logic. Their knowledge beyond our comprehension. The universe is a vast, mysterious place, and the possibilities for life beyond Earth are endless. We must keep our minds open to the wonders that await us in the cosmos. Cosmic observers unraveling the purpose of UFO sightings. Why would these advanced beings be interested in us? The answer may lie in our own history. Throughout time, humanity has faced challenges, made discoveries, and experienced both great leaps forward and devastating setbacks. Could these events be of interest to extraterrestrial observers? Imagine a team of scientists studying a colony of ants. They wouldn't interfere directly, but they would observe, record, and perhaps even conduct experiments. Are we, in a sense, those ants? Is our planet a giant ant farm meticulously monitored by unseen eyes in the sky? The mid-20th century marked a turning point in human history. We unlocked the power of the atom, unleashing a force capable of unimaginable destruction. It was also during this time that UFO sightings surged. Coincidence? I think not. Could it be that these extraterrestrial observers, alarmed by our destructive potential, increased their surveillance? Perhaps they were drawn to areas of high nuclear activity, monitoring our progress and assessing the threat we posed. The correlation between UFO sightings and nuclear events is too strong to dismiss. Many cultures have ancient prophecies, stories passed down through generations that foretell of great change. Often, these changes are associated with celestial events or the arrival of beings from the sky. Could these tales be based on actual encounters with extraterrestrial visitors? The idea of UFOs as harbingers of change is a recurring theme throughout history. It speaks to a deep-seated belief that we are not alone, and that our destiny is intertwined with forces beyond our control. Are we on the cusp of a new era, one marked by contact with these celestial beings? Only time will tell. Humanity's pursuit of progress is relentless. We crave knowledge, push boundaries, and constantly strive to achieve the impossible. But what if our relentless pursuit of advancement attracts unwanted attention? What if our technological leaps are perceived as threats by those who have already mastered what we are only beginning to understand? The possibility that our progress is being monitored raises profound questions. Are there limits to what humanity should achieve? Are there lines we should not cross, lest we invite intervention from forces beyond our control? The answers, like the UFO phenomenon itself, remain elusive. Guardians or gatherers, deciphering the intentions of extraterrestrial observers. If we are being observed, the question becomes, why? Are these extraterrestrial beings benevolent guardians watching over us with a protective eye? Or are they something else entirely? Gatherers of information, perhaps, studying our species with detached curiosity. The possibilities are as vast and varied as the universe itself. Perhaps they are waiting for us to reach a certain level of development, a cosmic threshold that will trigger contact. Or maybe they are simply content to observe from afar, chronicling the rise and fall of civilizations like ours as part of some grand cosmic experiment. The Kali Yuga connection. Are we approaching a cosmic turning point? This question has intrigued many, especially in light of recent events and discoveries. In Hindu cosmology, the Kali Yuga is a period of decline, characterized by conflict, ignorance, and spiritual darkness. It is a time when moral values deteriorate and humanity faces its greatest challenges. It is said to be the final age, the darkest hour before a new dawn. This period is often described as a time of great turmoil, but also as a precursor to a new era of enlightenment and renewal. Could the increase in UFO sightings be a sign that we are approaching the end of the Kali Yuga? The frequency and visibility of these sightings have sparked debates and theories among scholars and enthusiasts alike. Some believe that extraterrestrial beings are aware of these cosmic cycles and may even play a role in guiding our planet through them. These beings, often depicted in ancient texts and modern reports, might be more than mere observers. If we are indeed nearing the end of the Kali Yuga, it stands to reason that UFO activity would increase as these beings prepare for the coming transformation. This transformation could signify a shift in consciousness, a new beginning for humanity, and a reconnection with the cosmos. As we stand on the brink of this potential cosmic turning point, it is essential to explore these phenomena with an open mind. Whether through ancient prophecies or modern sightings, the signs may be pointing us towards a significant change in our collective journey. Beyond belief embracing the mysteries of the universe, the UFO phenomenon challenges our understanding of the world. It forces us to confront the unknown, to grapple with possibilities that seem both terrifying and exhilarating. It is a reminder that there is still much we do not know about our universe and our place within it. Instead of dismissing the unknown, we should embrace it. We should encourage open-minded investigation, critical thinking, and a willingness to consider alternative explanations. The truth, as they say, is out there, and it is waiting to be discovered. The future of the phenomenon. A call for open minds and continued exploration. The UFO phenomenon is not going away. It has captured the imagination of people across the globe for decades, and its presence in our collective consciousness is only growing stronger. In fact, it seems to be intensifying. Reports of sightings are becoming more frequent, and the evidence is mounting. From mysterious lights in the sky to unexplained aerial phenomena, the intrigue continues to build. As we move further into the 21st century, we can expect to see more sightings, more encounters, and more questions that challenge our understanding of the universe. The night sky, once a place of wonder, is now a canvas of curiosity and potential discovery, and more evidence that challenges our conventional wisdom. Each new piece of footage, each eyewitness account, adds to the growing body of data that demands our attention and analysis. The future of the UFO phenomenon depends on our willingness to engage with it. It requires an open mind and a commitment to exploring the unknown. We must be ready to question our assumptions and embrace the possibility that we are not alone. We must demand transparency from our governments, encourage scientific study, and push for the declassification of information that could shed light on these mysteries. Public pressure and advocacy are crucial in this endeavor. and foster a global dialogue based on curiosity, respect, and a shared desire for knowledge. This is not just a national issue, it is a global one. People from all walks of life and from every corner of the world are looking to the skies and asking the same questions. The answers are out there waiting to be found, but they will not come to us easily. It will take dedication, collaboration, and a relentless pursuit of the truth, but only if we dare to look. The journey ahead is filled with uncertainty, but it is also brimming with the potential for groundbreaking discoveries. Let us embark on this journey with open minds and a spirit of exploration.